Welcome to your Travel Resource Channel. In this episode, we'll be covering the topic of Australia's biosecurity laws and how they may affect you. Before you start packing for a trip down under, there's something you need to know. Australia has some of the strictest biosecurity laws in the world, and bringing the wrong items could mean hefty fines, or even getting your stuff confiscated at the airport. So, to save you the trouble, I'm going to break down into 6 categories exactly what not to pack and what you must declare when you land in Australia. 1. Food and snacks. Let's start with the most common mistake travellers make: bringing food. You cannot bring fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, eggs, dairy, or even some dried foods into Australia. That includes fresh apples, bananas or oranges, any kind of meat, jerky, sausages or ham, dairy products like cheese and milk, honey and unprocessed seeds. Even some packaged snacks could be a problem if they contain restricted ingredients, so when in doubt, declare it. 2. Plants, seeds and wooden items. Next up, plants, seeds and even wooden souvenirs. Australia is serious about keeping invasive species out, so if you're thinking of bringing flower seeds, potted plants or wooden carvings, think again. Not allowed. Processed wood, like polished boomerangs, or spices without whole seeds. If you bring something like this, customs might inspect it, or even confiscate it. 3. Animal products and wildlife items. Australia also restricts animal products, so that means no shells, bones, furs or feathers. And definitely no souvenirs made from endangered species. Not allowed. Coral, animal skins, raw hides or traditional medicines containing animal parts. Want to bring a leather wallet or a feathered souvenir? Check if it's processed and declare it just in case. 4. Camping and outdoor gear. Attention all adventurers, this one's for you. If you're bringing camping gear, hiking boots or fishing equipment, make sure they're spotless. Mud, dirt and plant matter can carry pests, so customs will inspect your gear. Make sure your hiking boots, tents and fishing rods are clean before you pack them. Allowed if cleaned. Hiking boots, camping gear, bikes and fishing rods. Not allowed. Anything covered in soil or organic residue. 5. Medicines and restricted items. Bringing medicine. If so, be careful. Prescription drugs and herbal remedies can be restricted, so keep them in their original packaging and bring a doctor's note if necessary. Allowed if declared. Prescription medicine in original packaging. Not allowed. Some herbal medicines, large quantities of prescription drugs. And if you're thinking about packing weapons, pepper spray, or even a hunting knife, don't. Many weapons are completely banned without a permit. 6. Okay, but what happens if you forget to declare something? Well, Australia doesn't mess around. If you're caught bringing in restricted items, you could face heavy fines, item confiscation. Say goodbye to that expensive cheese. Legal trouble in serious cases. But if you declare something and it's not allowed, they'll usually just take it without any penalties. So, when in doubt, declare it. Alright, now you know what not to pack for Australia. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more travel tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching your Travel Resource Channel.